Part of the week, we're going to talk about the Russell 2000 IWM proxy today and see how bad this chart is looking here. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what we can figure out here. So as you can see here, I've traced out a pretty obvious looking pattern, which is called a head and shoulders, which is a bearish pattern when you see a high that is made here on the chart, and then a higher high from that, and then a lower high, and then a breakdown through what's called this neckline here. So once we broke this neckline about 3 weeks ago, it was all bad news for the Russell 2000. Now, one of the support lines over here, though, goes all the way back to May, which comes in at about 169 to 170 bucks. If we break that level here today, or possibly in the next couple of days, there's going to be some more downside for the Russell 2000. We may bounce a little bit like we did here and like we did here, but make no mistake, this chart is extremely bearish right now. And what we've always noticed in the past is that the Russell 2000 also, usually and quite often leads the rest of the market. So if this market is going down, it's going to lead the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, and the Dow Industrials to go down as well too. So let's take a look at the indicators here. We can see the MACD started rolling over here once we created that head over here on the head and shoulders pattern back in the early part of August. It started rolling over again here. It's rolling over at a really low level here on the Russell 2000. We've also see lower highs, lower lows on the Chaikin money flow. That's -2. And then on the bottom pane over here, which is the TDI, or the Traders Dynamic Index, which compares relative strength to where Bollinger Bands are at, that is also on the negative as well too. So again, there's more down to go here. We think that, especially if we break below 169, where could we target to? Probably about the 155 level, which would be about another 12% down from where we're at right now. So I mean, it's pretty ugly right here for the Russell 2000, which is actually negative on the year in 2023. We're probably about -1% right now. So, and the Dow Industrials also threatening to go negative as well too. So take care over here. Have some protection. Puts are always good on the Russell 2000. They're very liquid. But if things aren't going to shape up any better, here we are in the beginning of October, things aren't going to shape up any better. It's going to be a huge leading indicator for the rest of the market. So that's the IWM. Thanks for much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.